Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Make sure you turn the notification bell so you can be notified whenever we post a video. And today we're doing a grocery haul. So let's go ahead and get into the video.
Hey Bookies, welcome back to Nika's Busy Life Until Edition, y'all. I done went to Wally's World, got all of this lovely groceries here and accessories, of course. I want to let y'all know I did get accessories too, so I'm gonna be loading the pantry up with these accessories and with these stuff that we have here. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Thank y'all for all your support on our channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on that what?
Notification bell.
When we post a what? Video! Let's get to the video. Let's do it! Alright. Now,
I'm a little bit tired, y'all, but I'm about to get into this video.
And this is got more. Then got four. I'm going to set these candies. Good. Oh. Whoa. I'm tired. I'm getting tired. I have to do my body check now. I have to sit down. I'm going to push that there. Like that. Before getting that up there. Candles there. Sugar straight. I'll go move that way. I'll go move that way. Oh, from the side.
We also on the food that we already had. Yeah, we'll put it in. Y'all ain't got no food.
Shut up already. Let the boss time. What name boss she has? She ain't no boss. Come on, you can't. I'll go to the head. My room is okay. I'm in the bag. You gotta keep moving up, bro. Alright. Oh, chip glass. And I put them in my pocket. Next to that. Oh, guess what? I'm gonna eat this.
Yup, spray your pants down with it.
That's last. Oh, I can't put up in the chair, please, boys. I can't get up in my chair. Don't move that chair. The chair right there. Do you know the trash is burn? No, you don't. Oh, well, that sounds not clean. I smoked the house out yesterday. Oh, here.
Now.
This stuff. Here.
Turn around. Thank you.
Give me the taco shell. I'll put the taco shell.
So taco sauce. Oh, right.
Come on, Kai, push them back, babe. Push them back. Careful. Oh.
That's one down.
Say you got the drop.
One down.
You got to rush this one. Calm down, take time. We need no rush. I need to make sure I can get my storage on my phone.
It's okay, clean up in a minute.
Sorry, just some more.
Look. That card. Look at that. One won't hurt nobody. One won't hurt nobody. Oh, my baby food. My baby drink.
Still got a lot to go. Alright, got some there. Okay. Excuse me. I'll set it here. I'm going to switch that with sugar. This is chicken broth, beef broth. You know the broth like this, I'm hungry. That's what's going on. You know, this one has to be changed. That ain't one. Come out and corn back on me. Here. Come out. You got all that face up there.
What?
That top. Got too many things. Got one. That top there for the box.
Huh? Not yet. I think you'll box food.
Careful, one more. That's all. Take it out the pack. Here, you go to bed, eat my power, please. My juice, you go get it. Tell me my juice off the bed. My juice off the bed. We put the pancake with it. We'll take this box and use this. We'll take this. See the corner from there. Yeah. Take it. This is going to be the camera over here. This cake is here.
Fun like an egg. You gotta have a big bottle of it. You just go ahead. I'm gonna show you a picture. Get that. I'm gonna show you a picture. You gonna see it there. What? You look like an egg right now with the body suit on.
think I'm gonna have going.
You're right.
Well, how would I feel like that? They fell.
Lord knows. There you are. Oh, these two. I'm about to make them scratch. Alright, so you have to take this coat.
You want to figure it and pantry.
Nice, yo. Banana, working good.
This is my grilled cheese. Put in on the top.
Alright, she got some grilled cheese I never seen before. You already know she's gonna be sharing with me. So I ain't gonna be here to try it, but you know.
So regular. Ready to make this one. Cat here. Rest of them. There's these sauce up here.
The hot sauce. She put on those. So far she put the Pringles sauce in the sugar, beef broth. You already seen the juice and stuff there. She got some more cake on it. Shows all the rice. She got peas, corn, all the peas. All the peas. Oh, I didn't even see those over there. Oh, man.
That's why you gotta walk through the other
Pancake mix.
other thing.
You put just on the twin.
Yeah, the team taking it over the pancake. Sit up, put them on.
Oh, yeah. You know, you gotta tell me.
Right, that's the fish that goes in that one.
About this.
Like this.
Watch out for this thing. Hey, you not in the camera, please? What? Call you two back up. Wow. You want to do people stuff right now? What you want?
Hungry Jack.
Yeah. And close the door, in and out. Watch out for those walls. But anything else does, because you don't want any cooking up in here. Nobody else cooking in here. You lazy. Just be scared of you.
that's why I hold these branches and stuff.
But salad, gotta eat healthy sometimes, bro. Yep. Yes, you did.
Barbecue sauce is good right now, boy.
Well, barbecue sauce get healthy. Barbecue sauce must on anything. Got anything. Kai, what do we have? Go.
Okay, boy.
I know that. I'll tell you where I'm going. Go get Max. I ain't gonna show you. Go bus. I'm trying to get you. Go down the road.
Strawberry.
All the back, baby. Got strawberry. Don't touch those clothes. Those things, y'all try to get everything, but that's not how it works. Before you better know, you better call video, she's looking out. No. Hi, come around. No. More way. This way. Move. Go in there. Go. You're not laughing. Go in there. That's right, shit. Is everything? Stop shaking the camera. It's okay right here. What is this? All in here. Ridiculous. This is why you don't get like nails, because you can see every little thing.
Purple nails.
No, they look like brown when you get them.
No, pink. You chocolate black colors.
I want to try brown nails, but I don't like brown.
You're weird. I don't like purple.
Get off. What's going on here?
You got thank you for looking at me.
I'm
You
looking.
a fan So like all the apples like Teddies.
I gotta go and try.
What did I check?
Mommy already living here.
Yes, it was.
Where?
I'm gonna show you.
Not in the freezer. Still take her to a cold hot pocket. Hi.
Who made you?
You
Go
know.
watch for
Oh, Kai, give me the dish frame.
That was a sponsor.
milk in the bowl?
It should bust my milk. Why you got that cold towel?
That's how good it is.
What the hell is going on with this right here?
She said that truck in his old drawer. Special services.
That shit ain't funny.
Ain't no
What
way.
you said? You said the bottom drawer. Sounds like the bottom drawer. Drawer where you hide your butt.
Everything funny right
That
now.
room bright as crap. What going on
Why
back
you have
there?
to go plastic side eye me like that?
Oh,
Oh, you got some milk. Yes, we love to build.
Get that kind.
Still has it. That's just like okay.
Okay, move.
Open the freezer. Open the freezer, mom, baby.
Okay.
Now I got you.
Move. I'm about to turn the camera this way. Get out the way.
No, you did turn the camera that way.
I'm about to. See, I just did. Look, look, look. See?
Yeah, you just did.
Yeah, you can take that.
Put it back.
I'm just standing here to waste time with my phone.
I feel you on that. I hate with my phone dead and it takes forever to charge.
Y'all better be happy. Not like that. So,
Stuff. They gotta get frozen fast.
Yo, my freezer get cold.
Yeah, I know.
made like a channel so I could get more friends and Roblox. So they could play games on that.
Huh? What did you say again?
Oh, you got a press this on bed.
Those are mine.
I'll be right back down there. Deal or no deal?
Yeah.
We don't even need
That's how it is. Yes. On the better side. There we go. Better light now.
Trash.
Mama love her butterbur.
That's cool.
Is that working?
We don't want that. She's there. Easy to the refrigerator.
Who's gonna do that? The girls and mamas. The girls too. Careful. Close it. You should turn it back around and close it. There, my car.
All right, fine. Come here. Come here, Kai.
She right here.
Oh, no. Rinse that out.
Yeah. No, wait, you need a bag. Kaya, please.
Give me a dish rag. Give me a dish rag.
Go get Mama this shit. Yes, it is.
I need to see that bottom one.
Turn it off right there.
It busts. I'm gonna get a little stand to put my cheese in. That put the cheese in.
Oh, that's too.
Let me step on it. Boy. It's hot, isn't it?
You moving around, that's why. 'Cause I'm-
Cookies.
Oh. Them cookies be slamming.
Stop the camera.
Hold on. Hey, didn't I actually get the video here? No, I didn't do the video. Apple.
Oh, I got the cheese. Love to make enough tacos or whatever else I want. Throw them cheese in there.
Yeah, as long as you don't go in there and eat it like a rat.
I don't do that. You look like baby food. You show baby food on this.
I already did. It's way in the beginning of the video.
Well, you're going to see it again.
Oh yeah, that rice?
They flake the food.
Oh, I'm getting crap. You can tell your wig all the way pushed back because you can see your whole forehead. So she's sweating out that thing. What are you doing?
locate size though.
Oh, Mama got cornbread. I didn't see you pick that up. Oh, we should have got some blueberry.
Alright, there you go. Now look at it. All this can go out the way. It sits over there. Like that. In this pan. I'm coming, baby. This pan can go here. Now I'm gonna give them a second. Wait a minute. Wait a minute, baby.
No, not right now. Go. Thank you. Oh. It'd be fire if you had a tattoo right here. Well, you ain't even 40 yet. Talking so too old for a tattoo.
Tattoos are hurt. I mean, my body be aching too much.
Sure, I'm about to go get me one. As soon as I get my big paycheck, I get me one right up my whole arm.
On your what?
My whole arm. I want my whole right arm tatted, bro. I told you that. I want to look like a portrait on one arm. But, like, I just want roses and flowers. I want my left arm to stay empty for a while. I want my forearm, my bicep, all that tatted. But I don't want that outside of my arm tatted, like this part right here. I just don't like that. But the inside, like this part, my shoulder. I want to try one on my neck too, but I know I just hurt. I heard it tickle, actually.
What? On your neck?
Yeah. I know it, like, they say it barely hurt, it just tickled. I believe that though. Cause they said the one on my outer arm, that one ain't hurt at all. They said it didn't hurt, so. But the one on my inner bicep, whoo, we'll do that again. I would do it again though. Something smaller. Yeah. Can't wait.
You can stop it, man. Stop it.
Oh. Basket. Gravy rice. Alright. Careful. Bust me out the box. Not even acting brand new. Cause they sure busted out the box. There you go. Stay still.
I'm just stamping this shit. This.
Yeah, you just stand up like a hand it to me.
Hand it to me. Come on, share about the claps.
No, it's not. Stop saying stuff like that.
How far to be?
Here. Here, it's 30 minutes. Slip me out the wall. Here. You want the chips and stuff? Oh. Serious? Yeah. Oh.
Hey, bring me the baby.
No, not yet. Hold on. No, not yet. Hold on. Tell Kai to grab it right quick. Let's finish this video first.
Anything else? Can go get me popsicles. I'm put some in the freezer. They got juice put up. I'm gonna put some in the freezer later on today.
Juicy? These?
The other ones.
Ain't no. Oh, these?
Let me go in the refrigerator.
Oh. Then what you talking about? The Minute Maid?
Yeah. They're being dropped these all over the floor.
Yeah. These? There you go.
and putting that too heavy up there. Put one of them in the refrigerator now.
Okay.
Hold on. He's got to go at the bottom.
Too heavy.
Like, oh. What?
About to tell you for the line.
Yeah. Give me some.
Careful, man.
Give me a case of water out my room right quick. Case of water.
So she putting a tissue in the cabinet. She got 2 in there. I don't know what that's other. Tissue, put towel over that. You don't unball your lip. We done put the water down there. They done bust up both cases already.
Oh my God, he's sure.
I'll fix it right now. Just scoot it back. Scoot it up. Trust the process, I guess. Oh, alright. Alright, mission failed. Child aborted. Bo. Okay, you just gonna have to.
Oh, bro.
What? Alright, what we got? Cookies, little biscuits. They actually say little biscuits. Oh yeah, she do gotta see me cabinet. I already know what's going on. She already stock that up though. Stock that up.
Whatever going on. That is good.
Yeah, move it up. You got hot sauce.
Oh, you know what?
What?
Who, y'all got your brand new house?
Can you close that door, please? Stacking the bread on top of the refrigerator. I'll put that in the refrigerator.
Let me see. I got one more look.
Oh yeah, since they not open anyways. What happened if you put grease bottle in the refrigerator?
Put what?
Grease bottle in the refrigerator.
Juice bottle?
Grease bottle.
Nothing. Cold oil. Nobody like
Thought I set the house on fire when you warm it up.
what? Nah, what the hell you doing? What you be thinking about?
Oh no. This is a wild imagination. That's yeah. Mine too. Yeah.
Where the kids keep watching that?
In the refrigerator. You don't see it in there? I just put it in there. Let me see.
What's real cheese on it?
I just put it in there, Mo. The bottle of fruit punch.
No, I'm talking about the
Oh, it's right there.
who's right?
Mine's.
Where's mine like that?
Come on here. Open. All right, go. Armstrong. Big ones and the small ones. Gonna lay one on the side. Hey! So you gonna be cooking us some eggs? What you got there?
Loading them in. We got the dolls coming out tonight. Let me get some more.
Oh, you need like 8 more. One for each of the kids and then you. I'm talking about some pig in a blanket. I lied. That ain't no 8. It's like 5. Perfect.
Let me put the hot dogs in. Alright guys, thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the bell when we post a video. I am hot, tired, and drained, but I finally got the pantry done. I gotta get some more drinks. I got a lot more drinks in the room I don't want to put down because I know they're going here and bust them up and open them. But I got a lot more drinks for the house as well in my room. So again, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the bell, post a video. Meat haul is tomorrow, but right now I just did the pantry for now. Stuff that I use to cook with. So again, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the bell, post a video. Peace. Did you leave the phone on charge?
No, it's in my hand.
The other one?
It's in my hand.
Thanks for watching.
Hey, you
Share.
see that binnacle over there?
At Nick of Busy Life and 10 Editions, follow you at subscribe.